Hi everybody, how are you doing? It's Janice Gallant here from the Creation Guild. So for those of you that don't know me, I am an artist and a teacher, and I offer art workshops and painting lessons here in central Alberta. I also have some online stuff, so I'm just popping in. I'm probably not going to catch a lot of you here, but hopefully you'll get this on the replay. I'm just finishing off some mandala paintings. We've been doing our Buddha painting, our painting workshop. So what I offer brand new this year is some sacred art painting experiences. So these are taking the art and combining it with infusing your intention into your piece of artwork, into your painting, and then really making it personal and special. So for those of you that have done my Dream Mandala workshop, which is also available online on my website, but lots of you have done the Dream Mandalas, which we created beautiful mandalas where kind of like a vision board. You get clear on what you want, and then we infuse our intention into that. Well, now we're taking it a step further, and we're actually creating these beautiful paintings of mandalas. And it's, you might look at that and think, oh, that looks too hard. Don't think that, because it is such a step-by-step process. It's such a beautiful experience of, you know, being in a meditative space. I walk you through meditations. I walk you through a journey. We infuse the feelings of what we want to create in our life. So perhaps it's a feeling of freedom or the abundance, right? The abundance that we want to bring into our lives in joy, in finances, in, you know, whatever it is. Perhaps you're looking at a new career path. This is the perfect experience for you to come and dive into with us. Our Buddha classes here, we've got Buddhas here. I've got one up on the wall back here. We've been painting Buddhas and infusing it with love and joy and grace, and those are the feelings then that when you come home with your Buddha painting and hang it up on the wall, it becomes a sacred piece of art, and every time you look at it, it exudes that beautiful energy out for you. So we want to start creating artwork for our homes that is intentional, that has intentional meaning for us, and that's what I'm doing with you. No better way to get into the creative flow than through painting. And we all know that creative flow is the sweet spot for manifesting in your life. So I have a Buddha class coming up here. So Buddha class is starting September 10th. That's next Tuesday is the next session. They run for 3 nights. So Tuesday the 10th, the 17th, and the 24th is the next session, and we still have room for 4 more people, so please let me know if you want to come. I am looking at October 27th, possibly as a full day workshop. I've had a few people contacting me from Calgary or further out, and they want to come, but it's hard to get here in the evenings. Totally understand that. So we're looking at doing October 27th. It's a Sunday, and it will run for the whole day. So probably from 10 in the morning till, you know, 4:30, 5, depending on how long we need. And I'll give you lunch. It'll be included. All the supplies for my workshops are included. And we'll have a beautiful, beautiful day, meditative painting experience with Buddha. And you'll be able to take them home. And beautiful, if you're a yogi, man, this is a beautiful painting to hang up in your studio. So pass the word around, and let's get some more people out here doing some Buddhas and spread that love all around. So that's October 27th. Let me know if that, I haven't put it on my website yet, but let me know if that would work for you. The third Buddha class is October, I lost my October here, It's a Friday night session, so it's going to start October 18th, 25th, and go to November 1st. So that's after Thanksgiving. Now the mandalas, these gorgeous, I had so much fun painting this. And again, this is a step-by-step, and we do layers and layers, and each layer we infuse an intention into the layers. And that one I haven't set a date for, but tell me if you want to come. I'm looking at Sunday, September 22nd. It's a full day. Now that's perfect because that is right at the fall equinox and a powerful time to be setting intentions and getting super clear on what we want for the next 3 months in our life. So that will be mandalas, probably September 22nd, a full day. I'm just working on making sure that that's enough time for us. So I might have to slip in maybe another evening, I'm not sure, or send you home with homework. But we will get that one going. I just finished it up today. I am going to be at our community showcase here. For those of you that are local, I'm going to be at our community showcase on Thursday, this coming Thursday. That is the 5th, September 5th, from 5 till 8, and that is happening in at the arena in the auxiliary area. I think that's a curling rink. So I'll be there, and I'm going to bring these paintings, and anybody that's interested, or if you have more questions, come and talk to me. I don't want you to be scared about doing this because I have a process that is super easy for you to walk through. You will absolutely go home with a beautiful mandala, or you will go home with a beautiful Buddha, and you will love it. So don't be afraid, even if you've never painted before. We have so much fun in these painting classes, and honestly, we get to get our fingers in there, smear, and just play with color, and it feels so good. So that if you have more questions, just text me. You can message me here. You can go to my website. You can email me. I'm pretty accessible, and you can talk to me on Thursday night also, and I will have some sign-up sheets for you there. You do need to put $50 down to hold your seat because I only have room for 8 people max at each session. So they're small groups, and that works better because when we're working with the energy, it makes a beautiful group for us to create a beautiful space. So when you come to these workshops, you get to bring your own personal items, like your own crystals, sacred objects that you can put around your canvas. I teach you how to infuse it, infuse the energy into your canvas, and we get there together. So don't be afraid to come. It's a beautiful, beautiful experience. So I think that's it for now, but I just wanted to give you the heads up here of what's happening. And that's kind of for the fall. There will be more mandala dates, but I haven't put them out there yet. Gotta get my schedule figured out, and yeah. So if you have questions, let me know. And thanks for watching. I did catch a couple of you here. Hi, you guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I'll be available. These mandalas, bring it closer so you can see. So much fun. Got some gold flecks in there. Same with the Buddha. We have, I'll move it stuff, lots of gold and texture in there. So he's lots of fun too. I still have to finish this one a little bit, but let me know if you have any questions. Okay, you guys? So hopefully I'll see you Thursday night. And if not, don't be afraid to reach out. Okay? Bye for now.